Okay, balik Gardina tayo. Medyo malamig. Bili tayo ng gas. Tapos paayos natin yung propane natin na gagawin natin siyang low pressure. Ewan ko kung may babalik pa natin yung dati. Let's go. Morning. I'm back. Dito tayo sa mutual propane. Papa-change natin ito into low pressure. Hello, good morning.
How are you today?
Good, sir. Good. Make it low pressure. Oh, sorry.
Okay, so you got these little high pressure regulators.
Yeah.
You want
Yes, sir.
do what you want to do. These regulators, the one that you want,
Yes, sir.
has a different size outlet than these. So I'm going to have to cut the hose back a little bit. Is that going to be okay?
Yes, sir.
If you lose
that's
maybe
okay,
an
sir.
inch and a half or so per hose?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
That's fine. Naayos na nila yung bait sila dito.
With $21, now let me see how much that is. I'll check now.
Okay.
You said the big tanks. Which big tank are you looking for? Yeah.
Let's see what. Well, let's see.
Sorry.
Yeah, you see, I have to change that fitting to the bigger size. I mean, I can. Here's one just regular hose. So hose.
Yes, yes,
okay.
sir. Yeah, everything.
So we're gonna bill him for one because he has one already inside.
Well, yeah, but if he wants these switched over,
okay.
I've got to do.
Oh, so you got to use the different
Yeah,
one.
I've got to
okay,
use.
So yeah, we can't use that one.
Yeah, sure.
So, I don't know what the difference. Like probably
Okay, we'll
only.
We'll deduct it later.
We'll look at it. Okay,
Okay, so let's see if we have enough of these here.
Let me
We got 1, 2, 3. Okay.
I brought the hoses over here, Bill.
Okay.
Have everything.
So you're open till 20 seconds, sir?
Yeah.
Okay.
3 o'clock.
3 o'clock only. Okay.
Okay, so I'm going to have to cut this again.
Yes, sir. That's fine, sir.
I'm going to lose another couple inches.
Yes, that's fine, sir.
That's okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
I haven't
They're the same, right, sir? The same, huh? Same.
Looks similar.
Yeah. Hinanap natin yan.
Okay, so that's what you want then, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
And
thank
now,
you.
do you already
still
have the
have it.
other hose for here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So low pressure na siya.
Okay, here's the second one. I got 2 more to go.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Ito low pressure na siya.
This one only has. So you
Make it
put
as
the
a
T in?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you. So, patient sila. Thank you.
There was 4 ferrules. Shouldn't be a whole lot.
The 2 T's that we took off, and then 1 fitting,
Mm-hmm.
and then we added on 4 regulators. These 4.
4 or 1? 3.
These T's cost $11.
Oh, okay.
So-
Thank you, sir. Hey, morning.
Hi, good morning. Hi.
I'm back.
You're back.
Yes, ma'am. Is your son?
Oh, yeah.
How old is he?
He's 6. Actually.
Oh, thank you.
There you go, bro.
Thank you, sir. Say, Merry Christmas, sir.
Merry Christmas to you too.
Thank you.
Have a good.
Patayong gas. 28.
Some more propane.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
Natipid tayo. 2 gas. $24 lang. Ito sa mutual propane. Nice. Right. tayong dalawa. Yan yung aking maganda sa ano to. Sa sniwet.
Yeah, this one. It is $40.
Time it closer.
Tomorrow is
May touch. Nasa okay mo. Christmas na dito. Yan, yung Four Seasons Cerritos area. Tara, bili tayong Mang Tomas. Mangga $7. Anak ng kabayo $7. Liliit. Kalokohan yan. Grabe. Ayos oh. Mahal. Ano mamat?
Ha?
Ano mamat?
Nagbibiling din ako. Tutulungan, DJ dishwasher.
Ha? Hindi na pala pa kanya homeless.
Ha?
Hindi na pala pa kanya homeless. Nagado nga homeless nga agbibis na machine.
Biling na lang na gina. Wala di pinakpit na nagyuma. Biling na rin.
Sayang.
Bak lang din.
Kaya bawal mo. May building na ni recycle da.
Ketek pawit. Ang dami ketek pa daw.
Waring niyayo.
Eh,
Sayang. Ito dong homeless nga pa. Lakay.
lakay din.
Lakay lang.
Aba, nakakita ko na.
Pang Christmas.
All this natin na.
December 14, nalpasa sa ba? Tayo sa you go. Yan. Maraming salamat. Okay, break time muna. Banana at choco with coffee. Okay, tara, gym muna tayo. Medyo malamig. Okay, suot natin yung ating ano. Muulan. Ito ang ating almusal. Happy Wednesday. Almusal, tanghalian, gabihan. Labong lang to. Labong. With saluyot. Okay, break time tayo. Ito. Yan. Lagyan natin sa chocolate natin. Yung binabasa ko. Battle Scars. Ayan. Okay, tayo ay mag-break. Parang tayo binigay ng ating mga boss. Atin yung hot chocolate. Swiss. $3.24.25 mga lechon orders. Let's go back to work. Hey, good morning. Huwebes ngayon. Medyo late ang pasok natin kasi kinuha natin yung ating life balance for this year. So ang life balance, either you use it or you lose it. So kinuha ko na yung remaining life balance ko, pero may pasok pa rin ako mamaya. And tayo ay pupunta sa Mutual Gas Propane sa Gardena. Kasi kukuha tayo ng 3 gas pa. Meron na akong gas doon, pero kailangan i-refill ko pa. Kasi baka mabitin tayo ng gas. So para this coming Christmas, ready na tayo sa paglilitsyon. So ngayon magpapagas muna tayo. Papagas muna tayo dito sa Costco gas, then diretso tayo ng Gardena para kumuha, magpa-refill ng ating tangke, LPG, para ready na sa lechon. Okay, tara, let's. Yung mga tubo pala natin, mga okay na, from from high pressure, nagpalit na tayo ng low pressure dahil sa advice ng ating kaibigan, shout out sa iyo, brother Jigs. So from high pressure, nag low pressure na tayo dahil sa advice din ng ating kapatid na si brother Jigs na nasa ibang state. Shout out sa iyo, brother. $62. Good. I took off today, but I'm working later. Yeah, that's fine.
Sometimes when you trade them in, they're not even having 30.
And catering price?
Oh, let me go get the
Thank you, man.
$2 more.
Okay.
I forget. But,
All right. Jose, Steve.
all right, you
Merry
have a good one.
Christmas.
I'll see you around.
All right, bro. Take care. Happy holidays, man.
I have 50% off in the store.
Huh?
The 26,
26?
50% off and everything the store.
26.
The store closing.
Oh, you're closing?
Yeah.
Oh. 26 Martes. What time you open?
8.
How everything?
Everything. Yeah, 26.
Why are you closing?
The owner of the building.
Huh?
The owner of the building, he can remove the contract. again.
Oh. Okay, thank you. Bye. So 26 nakuha na tayo, half price lahat. Sige mo natin sa car natin to. Yun yung gym. Tayo sa work. Late work tayo ngayon, late work. Ito na tayo sa bahay. Ito na yung unang set ng delivery natin para sa lechon. Ayan. Ito yung mga gas ko kanina. Mang Tomas. Pasok natin bukas. Ito yung luto ni Burnok. Rare steak. Ayan. Sa akin rare. Luto ni Burnok yan. Right? Yeah. Oh my. Wow. What's that?
Cilantro rice?
Cilantro rice. Okay. Oh, with oil too, huh? Too fat. I like fat. Ang lalaki yun. Ayan. Okay naman. Para sa ating mga katrabaho.
Ako sa New Year.
Hanggang kailan?
Hanggang yung weekend.
Ayun lang.
Thursday night hanggang Monday.
Oh, Sunday nandito ka pa?
No.
Bukas wala na?
Bukas nandito ko. Yung,
Okay.
Yung nga kay Shay.
Okay.
Pakitawagan mo siya o text mo siya.
Oo.
Tumahan ako ng mall, hindi nga sa Kuya Yabang. Nahihiya ako. Nahihiya ako dahil sa birthday. Kita ko kung matapang na nag-ano sa nakulong.
Yung luto na yan. What's up? For?
2 packages?
Yeah, can you just... Yeah, please. Busy, bro, huh?
Yeah.
Lechon. All. Christmas, man. Ito na, Tesla. Kakaingit naman tong pig ko na to. Nakailang Tesla na. Ingat. Sa ulitin. Thank you, ma'am. Okay po. Thank you. Yeah, no worries, ma'am. Okay lang. Okay, katapos nating maglechon. So, punta tayo sa mall. May bibili lang tayo. Sa ganapit. Thank you. I'm back. I have
25, 50 plus times 50 for 75.
yeah. Can you please one to us? Ayaw ko na. Masyadong maraming tao. Let's go. H-Mart. Okay. Meron na ito yung aking pang Christmas bukas. Pulutan. $35. So, sashimi. Let's go. That's it. Lechon ulit bukas. Marami tayong lechon bukas. Okay, dok. Babush. Okay. Ito yung mga gift. Yan. Kulang pa yan. Anak.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
Yeah, bro. No. Oh man, you're a busy guy, huh?
Yeah, no choice.
Dude.
Supposed to then come back.
Okay, do you still have deliveries tomorrow?
No, tomorrow, no.
Oh, you're off.
Yeah, tomorrow I just need to fix the truck.
Rest day, huh? Oh man.
Yeah.
Oh, is Filipino? Doing some 40s every.
Parts though.
Yeah,
I just came out of the
yeah.
freezer.
Yeah.
The truck broke down, but the reefer unit was fine, so I left it on.
All right.
I know you want a counter.
The last belly, it's too small.
Too small? You like the bigger ones, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I need to go to because I tried to go there the other
Yeah,
day.
it's not good actually. The last
good?
belly.
Is it too thick or too lean or?
No, it's
small.
really literally small.
Oh, okay, I'll get you the I'll get you the bigger one next time.
Yeah.
You like the big piece, right?
But no, I have no choice to cook. I need to do it.
Yeah, that
Okay,
one is,
let's-
it's at my coach storage.
Yeah, and the other one is
the other one, yeah.
Oh my goodness. I hope I'm done with that one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, perfect. Yeah.
And just send me the receipt.
Okay.
All right.
I'll take care of it.
Thank you, bro.
I'll see you later. Okay.
All right. Take care. Merry Christmas, brother. Okay, yan na. That's it.